I'm going to show you how to make a cute origami cat and how you can personalize it with a few simple variations. Let's go! Because origami is essential. First, you want to fold it in half diagonally to make a triangle. Then open it up and fold it in half across the other diagonal. Now we're going to use the line from our first fold. We're going to fold this point up to where the line meets the top. Next, we're going to fold this edge so as it's level with the bottom along here. That looks like this. Nice and level, and same on the other side. Now we're going to make the ears by folding this so as this edge is level with this part along here. Line it up so it's level and then squash it down. And same on the other side. Next, to make the bottom part of the cat's face, we fold this corner in about halfway. And same on the other side. And we turn it over. There's only one more fold to do now. And that's the top part of the cat's head over here. First I'm going to fold it this way, just to check that it's in the right spot. So I'm folding a line across the ears, like that. And same on the other side. And now we're going to use these two folds and just tuck it in to the back, like that. And like that. There, so now the origami part is complete. All that's left to do now is to draw a nice face for your cat. So your origami cat is complete. Now let me show you how to change the face and the ears so you can personalize your origami cat. If we turn it back over this way, you can change the face shape by folding these flaps in different amounts. You could fold it in just this much. Same on the other side. And that has a big effect on how the face looks. You can also change the position of the ears. If we unfold these as well, maybe you want the ears to be sticking out a bit more. Let's push them over this way. Then fold these corners back in again. So that makes a big difference on how the cat looks. There are many options with how you can have the face shape and the ears positioned. So experiment and see what you like the best. Thank you. I hope you found this tutorial to be useful. You can find a shorter version of this tutorial right here. And please subscribe for more tutorials as well as a bit of book folding. And remember, origami is essential.